Today, I'll show you how to switch accounts on Telegram. Telegram lets you keep multiple accounts in the same app, making it much easier to manage separate personal, work, or other accounts. First, open Telegram and go to the main screen. Look toward the top left corner and click the Menu button to open the main menu. Tap your profile or account dropdown. Right near your profile name and phone number, you'll see a little drop-down arrow or an option that says Add Account. Plug in your second phone number, type in the SMS confirmation code, set up your name, and you're good to go. Boom! You're now managing two separate worlds without ever logging out of your main account. Now that you've got two accounts hooked up, jumping back and forth takes literally 2 taps. Just head back to that main settings menu or tap your profile icon again. Your other logged-in accounts will be sitting right there waiting for you. Just tap whichever one you want to jump into, and the app instantly switches over. Notifications work for all of them simultaneously, too. So even if you're hanging out in your personal account, you'll still see badges or alerts if someone messages your business account. Please hit like, subscribe, and check the link in the description if this video helps you. See you in the next one.